Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, also harbachellectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. We have another Ameritron Al-572 in for repair. So I'm going to go over it and fix everything, see that's wrong with it. So right off the bat, I see that it needs new SO239. You see they just slip right in and out. This one has a teeny weeny bit of grip. This one has none. So I'll replace both. Check the series glitch resistors. So it needs gas discharge tubes. That's the old setup to try to help protect the bias circuit. The bias transistor is no good. These two transistors are probably shot also. I haven't checked them, but usually when this one's shot, the other ones are also. Someone put in a funky meter lamp, and I'm going to change both. One's different than the other. And go through the rest of it. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys in a long while, but really quick for you. Please again, like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it. So one of the parasitic suppressor board resistors was way out of tolerance. I replaced all four. The ones Ameritron now uses. Also replaced the straps. They're really rigid, where they extend beyond the board, beyond the solder connection. That's not a good idea to have them like that because they end up snapping for movement when you let them hang, when you change tubes or whatever. Over time they'll snap. So you always want to check all the solder connections underneath. One of the series glitch resistors was also out of tolerance. I'm going to change both with two brand new ones. And I already added the gas discharge tubes underneath the sockets. I got rid of the old modification. You don't need both. So I'm going to get back to work. See you guys soon. Okay, so the amp's all done. Tested it on 160, 80, 40, 20, 15, and 10. I'm on the last band, which is 10. 1 kW slug. Show the frequency after. Amp. I'm going to explain the different color meter lamps. I'm done. Okay, so key the amp. Audio hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. About a 1 kilowatt with about 40 in. Audio hello, 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 hello. And there you go. Okay, so I'm going to let the tubes cool off real quick, take the cover off, and I'll show you everything I did. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-572. I'm going to go over everything I did real quick. So, I'll explain the meters first. Someone replaced the lamp on this side. It comes with these, like, this is a new one, these like LED assemblies. Here's the one that came out of it. Someone wedged an LED in it because it failed. So there's a piece of aluminum that goes across meters, and two of the screws I couldn't get out. I think the person like glued them in. They're just stuck, and I didn't want to break the standoffs. So I bent the material out just a hair like they did, slipped it out, and installed a new one, soldered everything, and zip tied the wires. So that's all set. Here are the old SO239s, the old parasitic suppressors. One's way out of tolerance, so I replaced all four. The two series glitch resistors, they're out of tolerance. You can see it's actually damaged. The transistors for the bias circuit, electronic bias, so I replaced all three. These two are really tricky. So there are the old ones. The new ones have been installed. So you see the new resistors. You can see where the board was damaged slightly. I replaced the straps. The old straps. There's one of them. Oh, I showed that before. Added gas discharge tubes at the base of the sockets. I tightened up on hardware over here. Cleaned the rotary switch with the oxygold. Input switch with the oxygold. Got a brand new set of Penta Lab 572Bs. Awesome company, awesome customer service, great people over there. The SO239s came from Max Gain Systems, great people over there. So you can see the new transistors over here, see? And yeah, it's very tricky. Don't try this yourself. If you do it yourself and you damage it, I don't want to see it. I don't want to hear about it because I don't want to have to replace the whole board. That'd be a nightmare. Okay, so clean the TR/bias relay with deoxit gold, the soft start relay with deoxit gold. I inspected the soft start resistor. That's the proper fuse right there, 2 amp slow blow. Check the meter protection diode. And I think that's about it. And remove that old mod they added at some point to try to protect the bias circuit. It's not needed with the gas discharge tubes. So check solder joints and tested full output on all the bands. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com and also harbackelectronics.com. Thank you for watching. 73.